Here I have a little Smith's and Enfield clock. It was made in 1959. There's the manufacturer of it right there. It's made by Smith's Clock Company. I bought it over in England, and just like a cuckoo clock, when I turn the hands, there, that showed 3 times. Didn't chime on the half hour. That showed 12 times. Didn't chime on the half hour. And that showed 1 time. What's happening is the rack is getting stuck, so it needs cleaned. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just like with any clock, you start by taking the hands off, and then I got my towel, and then I'm going to take all the screws out. So that's what I'm doing next. Now the gong itself is in the way. You just can't take the movement out because of the gong. So I'm going to have to loosen the gong by loosening this nut right here to move the gong out of the way. And I think there's one more screw. No. So I got the movement out of the clock, and I set the clock keys to the side. And let's see what's going on here. Always put your parts to the side. And I want to see what's going on with the rack here. Just like a cuckoo clock, you got your rack and snail movement. You got your gathering pallet here, gathering pin. When this is tripped, the gathering pin counts the hours. But I'm going to turn this thing all the way around several times, because I want to see how far it's dropping. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to the half hour. And it did the half hour. Next one should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one should be 8. Maybe I miscounted last time. There's the half hour. This should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half hour. Next one should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go ahead and finish it. This is 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because it's actually working outside the case, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where it wasn't working inside the case, it's telling me that possibly it was catching on the case itself, because it's working just fine while it's outside of the case. But because I have it out, and because I haven't serviced this clock in such a long time, I don't think I ever serviced this clock. And I bought this clock in 1999, and it's a 1956 clock. How do I know it's a 1956 clock? Sorry, 1959 clock. Because it says so right there that it was presented to this person in 1959 on his retirement from the RAF. So that's how I know it's a 1959 clock. I think I picked this clock up for like 5 or 10 pounds over in England. But it is made by Smiths, made in Great Britain. A lot of people don't like Smiths clocks, but I think they did a pretty good job. But I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and clean it and oil it and put it back together.